Well, hello and welcome back to my channel where I make healthy lifestyle videos that include new recipes, some fashion content, some beauty content, and a look into my crazy life. So if you have been following me, you know that I have my biopsy on Tuesday, September 10th. By the time this airs, I should already have had that done, but I don't expect to get results for 2 to 3 days. So I'm nervous. It's tomorrow. Today's Monday. Mike's taking me. He took the day off. I have the day off. I actually have the rest of the week off because, again, as you know, my daughter's getting married Saturday. So Friday we have rehearsal dinner. Saturday, of course, it's full all day. And the groom is from Pennsylvania, from out of town. So there are a lot of his guests that are staying over in the hotel. So I'm not sure if we're going to do anything Sunday or not. And I scheduled Monday off before any of this breast cancer business, just to make sure I had a day to unwind after the wedding. But I'm popping on here just briefly because I got a little TEMU haul. Now, it's basically Halloween themed and kitty cat themed. As you know, I have my two cats, Kylie and Leo, and they have been their own kind of support. They seem to know something's going on, and they've been all around me. But I wanted to film this because I got a pair of pants that I want to put on. I just got back from work. So let me start there and I will show you what I got. So can't really see there, but there are these like baggy pants that say Cat Mom on them. So I don't know if you can see. So they're just baggy. I'm going to wear a black t-shirt over it. Just looked comfy. So I think I'm going to throw that on. It's been getting cool at night here. So along the same lines as Halloween, I don't know. So I got a Halloween shirt. I think there's cats on this too. Yep, there is. So this will be fun to wear when the time comes. So looks big, but you know, I'm not really wearing this for the fashion, just more for the spirit of Halloween. So that looks good. And staying with the theme, I got little cat Halloween earrings. Ah, can you see that? Aren't those so cute? I'll be all decked out in my Halloween cat wear. And then last but not least, I got a mat for the cats' food because they are messy eaters. And let me see what I got here. So I'm going to put this under their food bowls. It looked really cute online. How cute is that? Now that'll be year round. But it's pretty big, as you can see. So that should help keep the area where they eat cleaner. And I hope you can just throw this in the wash. Doesn't really say, but I will try. All right, so my plan for the next couple days, I am getting ready to head to Mike's. We're just gonna chill tonight, and I'm just gonna try to stay calm. And I've been pretty upset about everything that's going on and just sick about the timing of everything. But I am trying to be strong. I'm mentally preparing for the worst, just in case I find out that the cancer's back, like Friday of Mandy's rehearsal. I don't want to be a basket case, so I'm working on that. But I am still, hopeful that there might be a good outcome of this biopsy. I mean, it is possible. But I will definitely do a quick video letting you guys know when I get the results. So I'm not going to film much more today. I'm going to go put my cat mom pants on and head to Mike's. I will probably film a little bit more tomorrow just to check in and tell you guys how the biopsy went. So, all right, well, I'm going to get out of here, and probably am not going to videotape much tonight, but I will check in tomorrow. See you then. Oh, and last but not least, I got this cute 2025 calendar with some bad cats on there with their sunglasses. Anyway, sorry, wanted to include that. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, well, I just got back from my biopsy, and everything went fine. It was really awkward. I don't know how many of you guys out there have had one, but they did the same thing 2 years ago. I had to lay on this table, you know, with your breasts like through a hole, and then they used the mammogram machine, and it's pretty uncomfortable, but everybody was super nice and I got through it. So I will probably find out the results by Friday. So I will definitely let you guys know. And can you imagine if it's good results and I get to find out before Mandy's wedding? I mean, I'm preparing myself for the worst because I want to still be able to smile and enjoy Mandy's wedding, but boy, that would be nice if it comes back benign. But so I'm just gonna film a little bit here and there. We just got back to Mike's. I'm going to rest for a little bit. They don't want you to shower or do any heavy lifting for at least 24 hours. And I'm icing the area. So it was right where it was before. So that area was already kind of sensitive. So it's pretty sore. But anyway, Mike and I are gonna head back to my house, and I have a really quick, delicious dinner to make, and I will show you guys how. All right, Mike and I are gonna head back to my house, and I will see you there. All right, so I am home, and I am going to whip up the easiest, most delicious recipe, and it's super easy. So I get this Knorr creamy pesto rotini at Walmart, and that's it right there. And it really doesn't make a lot, but it is enough to make for 2 somewhat small servings. And my appetite hasn't been the greatest, and Mike's trying to lose weight, so it'll all work out. And then I have the extra large shrimp from Wild Fork. It's been a while since I have had a Wild Fork delivery, but you know that's where I like to get my salmon. And I really want to start having more salmon. So that'll be in some upcoming recipes. But I'm gonna make the pesto rotini according to package directions. And basically it says you mix 1.5 cups of water with a 1/2 cup of milk and a tablespoon of butter. You bring it to a boil, you add the contents of the package, and you boil it for 12 minutes. And then in the meantime, I'm going to thaw out some shrimp and saute it with a little bit of olive oil spray and maybe some Cajun spice. And then I'll combine everything and portion it up, and it will be dinner. So how I'm feeling, I'm a little bit sore. I've got a bag of frozen peas right here. And Mike's here taking care of me, which is awesome. And he's just been the greatest guy. I don't even have words. He's been awesome, and so have all my friends and family, and so have you guys. I have appreciated every single comment. You know, this week has just been so overwhelming with everything going on with Mandy's wedding coming up. I got a text from my seamstress that my mother of the bride dress is ready, but I have a strapless bra that I want to try it on with, and some Spanx, and I just was not feeling that today. So I am gonna pick that up tomorrow. So this week I'm just gonna film a little bit here and there, and that might be what happens. You know, I'm still praying for a good outcome, but if the worst happens, we're gonna deal with these upcoming challenges a little bit at a time. So I'm just gonna play it by ear. Bear with me. At some point, hopefully, I'll be back on track and doing my fun videos, giving you some good content, but for now, I'm gonna make my easy shrimp pesto dinner, and then I will check back and let you know how it was. And then I'm gonna pick back up tomorrow because I'm going to pick up my mother of the bride dress. And I also have been watching some YouTube tutorials. I want to do an old Hollywood glam hairstyle. I have some extensions I'm gonna put in, and I wanna do some soft waves and perhaps put back one side with a sparkly comb. So the biopsy's over. Right now, we're focusing on Mandy's wedding. So tomorrow I ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon. I got some special hairspray and some shine spray and some clips, and I'll show you everything that I got, and I will perhaps show you me trying on my mother of the bride dress. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that yet or not, or wait. I mean, you've already seen it, so why not? And then, of course, when I am getting ready for Mandy's wedding, and I'm going to try to film everything I can, show you how I do everything. I'm actually completely beautifying myself. I am doing my own hair, my own makeup, my own eyelashes. I did find some great false eyelashes. They're the half kind that I can't wait to show you. I'm also going to be doing my own manicure and pedicure. I'm going to be doing those nail polish strips. I'm going to do the French manicure, and I will do that on my toes as well. That's probably in store for Thursday. But all right, I'm going to turn the camera down and make my little simple shrimp pesto rotini.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me,
right, so Mike and I just had our shrimp pesto rotini. And to quote Mike, although we're not exactly sure exactly what he said, I didn't get it on camera, but he said, "This is friggin' fantastic," or something along those lines. I know friggin' was involved, but anyway, like I said, I am super tired. I am off the rest of the week. I'm gonna take it easy for the rest of the night, and then I will check back in tomorrow and show you my Amazon beauty haul for my Mother of the Bride hair. All right, guys, see you tomorrow. All right, well, it's the next day, and as you can see, I have my Mother of the Bride dress on, and the seamstress did a beautiful job. I'll back up and let you see the whole thing, but she hemmed it, and she also took it up in the arm area because it's a little big through here, but anyway, she did a good job. So I kind of did my hair the way I'm going to do it. I did want to show you my Amazon products, but they're not going to come until either by 10 o'clock tonight or tomorrow. So I want to get this video up. So when I do get them, I will probably do a practice run, and maybe I will videotape that. My videos are kind of up in the air because I just don't know how I'm going to feel and what news I'm going to get. But I am excited about my Mother of the Bride dress. And this is the comb that I'm gonna wear with one side up. And like I said, I've got the long glam Hollywood waves. So, all right, let me back up and show you the dress. I'm gonna have to angle it down a little bit more. Okay, let me see. All right, so you can see the length is perfect. I've got my sparkly shoes on, and it's got this slit up to here. So it does seem like it's still a little bit big through here, but I'm wearing a strapless bra, and it should be fine. But it's actually very comfortable. We should have great weather on Saturday. It's going to be about 80 and sunny. So my daughter and I will be on the rooftop sparkling away. So, all right, guys, what do you think? Is it pretty? I really like it. All right. And you can see my necklace and my earrings, and you've already seen the bracelet that Mandy got me. I'll just do back up here. All right, well, I'm gonna end this video here. Like I said, it's Wednesday. I had my biopsy yesterday. I don't have any results yet, but when I do, I will definitely let you guys know. All right, if you like this video, please like it below and subscribe to my channel, and tick that notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.